So grounding the body is not the same as sucking up or burying feels. Okay. So when we're sucking it up or burying those feelings, what we're doing is suppressing it. So it's the metaphor of the buoy that we had, where when you're pushing a buoy underwater, you can get it underwater, you can even hold it there for a while, but it takes an immense amount of effort. So we can think about that as we have so much cognitive bandwidth to be able to do things. And when you're suppressing a feeling, you're using up a significant amount of your cognitive bandwidth to keep that buoy underwater. And so you can't be as present to other things. And eventually you're going to fatigue and the buoy is going to pop back up and cause us to be reactive, right? So that it comes out in other ways. So we feel reactive because of something that happened at work, and we go home and take it out on our children or our spouse. This is one of the ways that this plays out. And so groundedness is getting that space between the impulse that we're feeling and how we react. So when we're grounded and we feel an impulse, we feel an emotion come up, when we're grounded, there's space there. So we can see it, we don't become enmeshed with it, and then we have the autonomy in that situation to choose how we respond to that emotion. And so that's the essence of grounding. Does that